Hi folks, Dr. Mary Warren here with Road Warrior Wellness. Happy February. Yes, indeed, Old Man Winter is knocking on our door in North Texas, and we're on our way to getting an ice storm. So, keeping up with my theme of building reserves this year. And when I say that, I'm talking about building health reserves. A lot of us think of building reserves from the standpoint of financial backup and having some savings, having some investments, having things to pull from, having things for the future. When I'm referring to building reserves for my theme, my professional theme of 2022, I mean building health reserves. And those are the types of resiliencies that we have on board physically so that we will be able to easily and readily come back from and respond, reply, rejuvenate, restore from injury or illness. And many of us have been dealing with illness over the last couple of years relative to COVID. We also, of course, have colds and flus that still happen. We can get sick and have it not be COVID. And a lot of people still suffer from allergies. So a lot of ways to keep ourselves well. Of course, right now with it being really cold, it's easy to think of ways that we can warm ourselves. I like to talk about and have recently spoken about eating warming foods. So we want to eat and drink warming liquids so that they build warmth internally. Another way that we can actually build warmth for ourselves, and it's such an easy, simple way of using an old, simple, cheap device, is a hot water bottle. When it's really cold, it's nice to have a filled hot water bottle wrapped in a towel and placed at the foot of your bed inside your sheets so that it's inside your bed sheets and bed covers. And as soon as your feet touch that nice warm or hot towel, and it immediately, of course, warms up your bed, you'll just be like, oh my goodness, I feel so much better, so much warmer. And it allows you to really warm up quickly when you first get into bed. Remember hot or actually warm salt water gargling and rinses. Salt, of course, is antimicrobial and it's great for gargling. Back years ago, before we had refrigeration, food, and particularly meats, were salted to preserve them. So just think of salt as being antimicrobial, whether you're at home or on the road. And always, always keep that water going. Hot water with lemon is a great way to help your digestion. It's a nice non-caffeinated and soothing way to have a little something to drink before, during, after dinner. And always keep your dinners light this time of year because we tend to go to bed a little bit earlier than we do in the summer months when it stays lighter later. So hopefully those ideas will give you some good ways to build internal warmth and stay healthier and happier. I'll see you next time.